So friends, as expected, we have been able to take a trade, and as you see, this level is being tested again. 51,350 तक ये जाके आया है. What we can do now is, just to be on the safe side, we can go ahead and we had taken 51,600 put. So what we can do, it's already showing profit. So what we can do is we can exit half the quantity. We had taken 60. So I am exiting half the quantity here, and remaining half I am keeping it देखने के लिए कि अगर वो 41,300 लेवल के नीचे जाता है तो then it might test 51,000 levels also. Just hoping, or what we can do next is we have taken this order of 51,600 put at 325. So just to be on the safe side कि अगर रिवर्स हो जाए तो फिर प्रॉफिट और कम ना हो जाए, so what we can do is we can apply a stop loss of 325 and protect our profits. So we have booked part of our profits and we are keeping remaining for the next trade. And it was a very quick trade. This is the resistance level which is formed by now, and this is the support level and this is the resistance level. OI में भी अगर हम देखें तो कुछ खास changes नहीं हो रहे हैं. 51,500 is still having a very high OI. 51,400 OI is increasing along with put OI. अगर 51,300 का call OI बढ़ता है, then there is a chance कि 51,000 levels might be tested. Otherwise ये range bound है. 51,300 के नीचे और 51,500 के ऊपर एक ट्रेंड मिलने के चांस है. Till that time ये range bound ही रहने वाला है. Okay, so that is all. Whatever is there, I'll update you and I'll keep you posted.